Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Underage Drinking Call Leads to Sudden Tragedy by Midwest Safety.
Oh, he has a major head wound, dude.
A head wound?
On October 28th, 2024, 911
What the f just happened?
dispatch with the Findlay Police Department in Ohio received a call about
Of course, Ohio.
3 juveniles drinking alcoholic beverages in a park.
I just went
shit.
out looking for my son, found him at Bernard Park, and there is kids sitting there underage drinking.
Okay, how many of them are there?
There's 3 of them. I do not know who they are. They're sitting there at the picnic table at the basketball court.
All right, I appreciate you giving us
That used to be my favorite place to go garden with my friends, if you know what I mean.
the call. We'll get a couple officers headed that way, okay?
It's still daylight.
You got a report that you guys were drinking alcohol. What you just put in your pocket?
Vape.
A vape? Well, you might as well put that out. Probably not supposed to have that either, right?
Hell no.
You gonna hand me one of those, or?
I ain't gonna lie. Why do these kids need vapes these days? Cause what the fuck is you stressing about, bro? Seagram's Gin? A fucking wine cooler?
I'm 13, but I just got here.
Well, you're here now, aren't you?
Yeah.
With a bunch of alcoholic beverages, right? Huh? I don't know what you're saying, man.
I said we apologize for that.
Okay. So speak up to me like an adult.
Yeah.
Okay. Get one of your parents on the phone. Don't want to make sure I have it right. Don't go anywhere. Stay right here.
I know.
What grade are you in?
Huh?
He's claiming he just pulled up.
He really did. We can literally call my mom right now. She knows that I just left.
He said he just finished the bottle.
Don't call me bro.
Sorry,
No, look at me.
but
Do I look like your bro?
no.
Okay. Be respectful.
Okay, but sir,
What am I supposed to?
I did not know bro was disrespectful. But the young generation these days, they say bro for everything. I be catching my daughter saying that. She be like, bro, I'm not your motherfucking bro.
Paint this
I get
picture
it.
for me, okay? I pull up, and there's 3 of you sitting here with alcoholic beverages underneath the table that you all have access to. I'm not saying I'm going to charge you, but you're going to at least get identified.
okay, that's
And you better
that's
treat me
fine.
with respect.
Okay.
Because you're going to piss me off real quick.
Okay,
Hello.
You got me?
yeah.
You think I'm tough? Wait till you see Judge Johnson.
I've been on probation. I know her.
Ah, this.
Yeah, then she really won't like you.
You want the vapes too?
Yeah.
Is there any more vapes? We sure?
What's that?
Little guy in the back's in 8th grade.
I see.
Hello?
That's wild.
Oh, what are you gonna do about it?
Right here. So please, I want to talk.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Okay, what's going on?
Yes, ma'am. This is Findlay, Ohio Police Department. How are you tonight? I'm out here, I believe, with your son.
Okay.
They were called in for drinking here. Alcoholic beverages between him and a young female. So he's going to be placed under arrest tonight for that. And taken to the Findlay, Ohio Police Department where he will need to be picked up.
Does he have
The
a
adult
warrant for his arrest too?
I'm 17.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, you can still get arrested.
The police called his father and said that they.
Said what? You cut out there. It didn't connect or disconnected.
Oh, my hotspot turned off. Not bad.
Honestly, I have a question.
Well, he did that on purpose. Talking about my hotspot turned off my bed.
Instead of taking me to the jail, can you take me to the hospital?
Why? What's up?
Because I need mental help. That
Oh, now you need it. You didn't need it when you was drinking with these 2 guys.
is what's wrong with me, and
Okay.
I'm.
Well, we can talk about that, all right? But this is what's going to happen first, okay? And then we can talk about what else is going on. All right? I'm not going to deny you that, okay? Clearly there's a lot going on here. And I haven't got to that, but we have to at least do this part first.
Hello?
Are you going to pay attention to me?
My mom's.
Okay.
Which
Sorry,
one?
so what's going on? Sorry, it was disconnected.
Yeah, it's okay. Your son's going to be at the Findlay, Ohio Police Department where you can come get him.
For today, or is he gonna stay the night?
No, you have to come get him at some point here tonight. Give me about half hour, 40 minutes or so to process the paperwork.
Is that the only thing that he's arrested for?
Yes.
Like, is he charged for?
She's like, she know he be doing dumb shit.
Consuming alcoholic beverages and being a juvenile.
Okay.
And then I think he had a nicotine thing on him, but he would just get a citation for that.
Okay. All right. I appreciate that.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Stay here.
He took off. Oh, boy, you just idiot. What the fuck? That was a gunshot? No. I know you lying. Oh, let's rewind that, y'all. Oh.
Stay here.
He shot at the cop. Oh.
I don't know where he went.
What the That was just drinking alcohol, bro. No, I know he didn't do that. Now, why the hell would you shoot at the cops? They was just finna take you to jail for something so petty and out the way. You must got a warrant for something and you knew you was about to go to jail for a long time because there's no fucking way that you had to do this, bro.
Stay the down. Stay the down. I got him. You got him. Throw the gun out, man. You're gonna get shot again. Throw it out.
Affirmative, we have a suspect who's been shot.
Can you see it?
I cannot.
What the fuck?
You're gonna need EMS. He has at least one gunshot wound. He's bleeding profusely. Where the fuck is the gun, dude?
I see it, it's on there.
I got you. Don't fucking move.
What the fuck is he doing with a gun, bro? Not even old enough to drink.
Oh, he has a major head wound, dude.
He shot him in the head.
You want me to get to a chest seal real quick?
Yeah, something. I got something.
Are you good there?
Headquarters, be advised, he has a very large head wound as well.
Sit there and stay there.
Working on life-saving measures now. Right here, right here, right here.
You know it's really bad when they gotta pull that out, but why would he start shooting at the cops, bro?
Shot there, he has one to the head, it looks like. More wounds here.
So you got one here. Let's get a seal on here, all right? It's going to be in that red bag. You got a seal?
I got the light, I got the light.
Got the light for me? All right. We're not going to be able to do anything for that right now, but we're going to...
I was not expecting this to go like this. Agonal breathing is present, indicating a very critical injury.
maintain a stairway here. What we're going to do is we're going to get this on him, then we're going to roll him back. We're going to check the other ones here, okay? We'll get it once we roll him. Your way, all right.
Oh, fuck.
Here we go. See where we've got that gunshot wound?
Imagine being this kid's mom thinking he just got hit for this shit. He's about to go to jail, right? And then all of a sudden, you hear that either your son has got killed or his friend took off and started shooting at the cops. And that's just wow, bro.
You said you got one to the head
He
here?
has something on his back.
All right. On the back of his head, we've got a gunshot wound. We've got 2 chest seals on. And I can definitely feel blood coming out the back. Check his legs. How many shots were fired? Do we remember?
I'm not sure.
No, you're
He fired about 8 or 9 of them.
fine. You're fine. I got one down there. I know that. You guys have a trauma shoes for him. Let's get those pants off. So. Is your car unlocked? Yeah, it should be. Okay. You got clean gloves?
I got this. My clean glove. We secured the firearm receiver to the center.
Okay.
You okay? Yeah, sir. I don't think I've been hit. He shot a couple rounds.
He's definitely got a brain. The 3 shot to the head, it seems like. So you're going to need to get the flight in.
Yeah, okay, this is what I want you to do. Yes, sir. I want you. Don't talk to anybody. Yes, sir. I want you to
to take care of the station. Down the detectives, just chill out. Okay.
That is wild, bro. He didn't even like. What the fuck did he have a warrant for to make him want to shoot at a cop?
Just trim the tree right in there, probably better.
The suspect, Calvin Darafeth,
What the fuck? He looked scary as fuck.
was taken to a local hospital where he succumbed to his injuries the following day. A slow-motion replay of the officer's body cam reveals Calvin shooting at the officer first before the officer fired back. This isn't Calvin's first run-in with the law, as he was previously placed on juvenile probation when he was 15 for an incident in February 2022, where he discharged a rifle loaded with a .22 caliber bullet in a residence. He was charged with discharge of a firearm into a habitation with the intent to cause harm or panic, a second-degree felony, if committed by an adult. In the same month, he was charged with marijuana possession, where he was found with a THC vape pen in Findlay High School. In May 2022, he was charged with assault after assaulting another juvenile for allegedly snitching on him. In January 2023, he was charged with assault again after fighting a student at school.
Yeah, he wouldn't know shit.
In March 2023, he was
Boy, my mama would have been whooping my ass for every charge. You hear me?
charged with theft of a motor vehicle and receiving stolen property, where he and another juvenile were charged for stealing a 9mm firearm and a car from the other juvenile's mother.
Damn.
In October 2024, he was charged with theft, where he and 3 other individuals were involved in shoplifting a bottle of alcohol from Walmart. As of December 2024, the Hancock County Prosecutor's Office determined that the officer's actions were justified within reason and closed the case.
I can only imagine that kid's parents though, because no matter how fucked up your kid is, you still don't want nothing that happened to him, bro. That is just wow. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.